I'd like to take a minute and thank everybody that helps us out, because it is just amazing the support that we get from companies.
Enjoy Graphics from Florida, Mike McNeamy. Great dude, always gives us the best graphics, quality fit, great look on them.
Fast House is a new sponsor for us, and we really enjoy them, the quality of the gear and everything.
Bell Helmets, providing us with great protection, good looks, and yeah, I mean, we just can't thank those guys enough.
Mobius knee braces, wow, thank God for those things.
TM Designs for keeping all the bikes covered and protected throughout everything. Their skid plates, chain guides and everything. It's a super important part of us with all the mud and everything we have.
IMS, they've helped us through the years, love those guys. ODI grips, gotta be the best grips on the market, unbelievable.
Bulletproof, that provides us with the radiator braces, which without those we'd be changing radiators pretty much every day. No Toil for giving us support throughout the years, through all the years, and also a great and easy product to use.
Thank you guys so much for the new sponsors and the old. Thank you so much for everything that you've done with us. Amazing products, amazing people. We definitely wouldn't be where we are today without you guys. Thank you.